Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, we've just covered two earnings this morning. Even if it was with our lights down, we had no control over our lighting, but we have, I say we, it's just me. I fixed that now, so you can see everything is back to its normal way of looking in the studio, which is good. We did the two earnings, which was good. They both went off fine, even if it was without the rock and roll lighting and all the rest of it. But nevertheless, they did go out. They will be going out as their own video later. As we said, a huge rally is coming for the S&P 500, and I mean a huge historic rally is coming. It's why I'm all in. It's why I'm in with margin and so on and so forth. And as you can see, we're up again today. We've got new all-time highs. We are going to do some Zim information in a moment. 108,163 now, which is very, very nice indeed, reaching all-time highs again today. So we're not that far off now from an all-time high of the S&P. And when we do get that, my portfolio is going to be somewhere in the region of 113,000. Remember, I started with $5,000, so it's one serious amount of growth. Anyway, let's welcome everybody in. Leo Ramirez, good morning to you. Welcome to you. Let me go through all our systems and make sure we're all good around the studio because we've had some technical issues to deal with. Yeah, that looks all good to me. Portfolio is really, really rallying now. As you can see, 108,000. Be 113. It could be 113,000 by the end of the day. It could easily be that. All from $5,000. Can you believe it? Jeffrey, good morning to you. How are you? Morning, Jeffrey. You got your emoji on its side. Did you do that on purpose? Maybe you did. I don't know. You're having a lie down. Anyway, what have we got? Tomorrow, Fed Bostic speech, not important really. Wednesday is the minutes. What have we got? Really, Friday. Friday is Jackson Hole. So let's do that on Friday. Jackson Hole synopsis. Fed Jerome Powell speech on. So I'm going to record this now. Howdy, Martin. Been a week or two since I've been able to check in. How are you, Chris? Lovely to see you. Well, you're not a member anymore. What happened to your membership? Is this the same Chris? I don't know. Are we the same Chris? Are we on the main channel? This is the main channel, right? Because I've got a few people here not members. Oh, hang on. That's the extra. No. Yeah, we're on the main channel. Yeah, we're on the main channel. I was thinking that's strange. Anyway, keep up. Oh, look at this. I've just got a wonderful super chat gift here just about to come in. Look at this, everybody. Wow, let me put a big thank you to that. Thank you very much, Jeffrey. Appreciate that a lot. Thank you so much.
Jeffrey Cornelius donated $9.99 through a super chat. Keep up the good work, TKGM.
Thank you very much indeed. That's very much appreciated. We've had some major issues this morning with repairs, so that will go towards that. So thank you, Jeffrey. Appreciate that. That's very kind of you. Every penny goes back into the show, keeps it all going. Absolutely great. Thank you very much. Okay, record highs keep going up. Yes, so we're breaking highs nearly all the time. 108,000 started with $5,000, which is great. We are breaking records on all channels. We've got 3 channels. They're all growing. Yeah, it's a good business. Everything is working as planned. $1 million in 6 years. There's no doubt about that. Follow the plan, stick to the plan, don't change the plan. And we'll be good. So let me do a couple of things here. So I have to record some videos here. 450. Let's do this first of all. 450 Jackson Hole Fed. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, in fact, it will be in a couple of days. As you can see, I'm breaking records again, which is fantastic. All-time highs being achieved nearly every day, mostly. On track for $1 million in 6 years, all from $5,000. Never shorted a stock, never done any options. Just investing, just buying on macro dips when everybody else is fearful. But why am I coming online now saying breaking news? Well, on Friday, we've got a special event. Let me just check if it is Friday. It is, yes, it is Friday, 9 a.m. Central. It's Fed Jerome Powell speech, Jackson Hole. Of course, we're going to cover it live. And it's where we're going to get a very, very good indication of what's going to happen. I predict he won't drop rates, and I hope he doesn't. He might do, but I hope he just sticks to his September idea, which is what I've said now for 18 months. But I hope he gives a really good, bullish, dovish, soft landing message to investors, which I'm sure he will. So I'm very confident that's what he's going to do. So join us for that. It could be a very, very explosive day, but we're already buying it anyway. We're already in. As you can see, my portfolio is just breaking new highs every day. I've just put out a short. Many of you didn't see it. I don't know why. It was probably the most important short I've put out all year. We're going to get a huge rally. I was on the phone over the weekend talking to CEOs about a huge CEO across the board, across all businesses, buybacks. We're about to get an historical rally. I did put the short out. Many of you didn't see it. YouTube doesn't always share it out, and many of you didn't share it with each other. But nevertheless, I was on the phone to CEOs, half a dozen, and I shared it with you that CEOs are instructing emergency buyback. So there's a huge rally coming, no question about it whatsoever. So anyway, that's what I put out. Jackson Hole as well on Friday, 9 a.m. Central. You cannot afford to miss it. And then, of course, we'll be covering the FOMC meeting in September. Obviously, we won't miss that. We don't miss anything. 4 earnings a day and all major announcements. Click above my head for the event on Friday. I will make a special video event for it. Down below in the description, we are doing a special at the moment with Seeking Alpha and Alpha Spread. I've got a great deal where you can get Seeking Alpha, one of the most famous, well-known analyst tools available in the world, and they've got free trial. They don't offer free trials. You can only get it with a referral from me. So I've got a free trial and $25 off. Strongly recommend you go and try the trial out at least. It's how I got the information about GOVX, and was I right on that one? That popped up a couple 100% now. A lot of my members have made a lot of money. Anyway, click above my head for all the links down below in the description. I'll put Alpha Spread and Seeking Alpha. Over here, I'll put the event for Friday, and down here, I'll put more links that you'll find useful. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Right, that's that. Now, we've also got GOVX. I'll do GOVX first, I think. GOVX. Okay, so let's go and look at this. Okay. What's the time? $15. We'll call that 16 now. GOVX. Welcome everybody on the extra channel. Hope you're all well. Right. I should probably bring this up here. Videos. Okay. GOVX. There it is. Right. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, GeoVax Labs, GOVX. Was we right or was we right? Within 24 hours, we ranked #1 on YouTube for the stock. We discovered an emerging stock with breaking fundamentals and breaking charts. It's been one of our biggest successes of the time we've ever done the channel, 3 years, and up 444%. We got this one. We gave it to you, and I want to share with you because it's still not too late. It's still, I mean, it might be a time to take a profit, but some of you might like to get involved in this. So let me share with you what we did ahead of time. There was my fundamental 19 hours ago. There's my fundamental news on GeoVax. I reported to you using latest emergency breaking news that came out about Mpox, that this could be one of the stocks that could pop up on it, and it did. We covered the fundamentals and the news and everything else, and once we'd done all that, I got Sensei to make you a chart so you were ready for the morning. 15 hours ago, we put that out for you, gave you the chance to make a lot of money on this stock. So there is GeoVax. So we were right big time here, not only with a technical chart, but the fundamental chart and the news. So if you've not seen those yet, I will link those above my head in description, pinned to the comments, and at the end of this video. I don't know if it's all over now. I think that this could run for quite a while. But if you're up 500% or whatever, just take your profit. Why sit around and risk it? I mean, seriously, you can make what you'd make on the S&P in 5 years in a matter of a couple of days. Why would you sit around and wait? I don't know. I would take my profit anyway. But that's my information to you this morning. Please consider subscribing to the channel. We do latest news like this all the time. Now, information is power. Knowledge is power all the time. Education is power, and sharing it to you. We do rank #1 for most of the stocks we cover, but also it's in association with the information that we get ahead of time. Things like Seeking Alpha told me the news, which stocks that were moving on the basis of the news and Mpox and what the World Health Organization was doing and how they were looking at different industries and different companies. So if you missed all of that, you might as well get my free trial. You cannot get Seeking Alpha with a free trial and a discount unless you use my referral. So I'll click above my head, down below in the description. I'll also pin it in the comments as well. You might as well get it and try it for 7 days. You would have known about this, and if you were covering our channel, you'd have known about this, and you could have made yourself 500%. It's already gone down a bit this morning. It was over 11, I think 1150, nearly 600%. Anyway, great news. So above my head, down in the description, over here, I will put the GeoVax fundamental video. It's still relevant. It's still accurate. It's going to be accurate for at least 4 or 5 days, by the end of the week at least. And down here, the chart as well. And Sensei did a chart as well for the whole week. So you need to check this out. You're missing out if you've not checked out these 2 videos that we put out for you on Friday and last night. Anyway, that's it from me. As always, take care of yourselves and each other. GeoVax, Zim, Z-I-M, Z-I-M. Zim, we just covered this as well. We just covered 2 earnings this morning. Can I share the Seeking Alpha link? Yep, here it is. The only way to get a $25 discount and a free trial is with me. I have got the best referral that you can have. Here's Alpha Spread as well. My members get a free version of this. You need to know what's going on before it goes on, and that's why I bring you this information, and that's why I'm live 12 hours a day to give you these opportunities. And anyway, there it is. There is the facts for you. Okay, now then. Let me bring you something else. Here's something else. Massive, huge, another huge opportunity, right? Coming your way right now. Pay attention, here it comes. Zach's going to like this, being from Israel. Okay. Okay, I've got some another great stuff here. All right, here's another big stock warning. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. If you blink, you miss it. Okay. Then Zim. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas. Another popping stock here. We're bringing you ahead of time. We covered the earnings. We already reported this before it popped over the weekend. There's some big ones here. Some of our best ever results happening now. We're using more and more advanced software, more and more advanced tools, and we're bringing you these stocks 12 hours a day, breaking before they break. We covered the earnings for this morning. Zim, integrated shipping services. If you're not following me on X yet, you should do, because I'm putting this ahead of time. I'm bringing it live 24 hours a day on X and Instagram. If you're not following me there, you are missing out. All links are below for all of my links to X and Instagram, all right? So Zim, we've just covered the earnings. You want to go and listen to it. It's great. So I'm going to bring you some latest information. Now, I'm making this during a live video, so my live viewers are going to get ahead of the schedule right now. Click subscribe and ring the bell. Yes, the bell has just gone. We're live. And there's some more big action, GOVX and now Zim, and it's going to run. Here we go. Smash the like button. It's happening. We gave you this over the weekend. What is going on with Zim? Okay, has everybody smashed the like button? You all in? Okay. So first of all, we've got a valuation here. In fact, I'm going to jump straight into my live viewers because the live viewers get the best deals. Seeking Alpha is how I found out the pro version of all of this. All my members can get in the chat right now. It'll be above and linked below at the end in this video. But those watching the chat right now, there is Seeking Alpha, free trial, and of course you also get the $25 off. Here's Alpha Spread. I'm using both of these softwares right now. There you go. Now let me show you. First of all, on Alpha Spread, this is the valuation, and this is accurate. We've now got a $62 valuation, and we're only at $23, and the stock is pumping as I talk about it. I brought this to you over the weekend, so there's no surprise. The earnings have just gone out. You better see a replay of it and an enhanced video shortly as it's uploading right now. Undervalued by 70%. Great news here for Zim. Plus, when we get an end to the Middle East crisis, this stock is going to go up way higher. So that's really good. The valuation is good. What about the balance sheet? We're up 4%. I've got some breaking news on the earnings. I'll bring you in a second. Up 4%. Net income is up 6%. Not much news there. That's a bit flat at the moment. What about here? The balance sheet. And this is just a very quick analysis, guys, not a full analysis. 8.9 billion on assets, 1.4 billion in cash, liabilities, long-term debt, 3.8 billion in debt, but we've got 1.4 billion in reserve. So 6.4 liabilities, half of it, about 50%. Thereabouts, yeah, 59% is debt, but we got rates coming down, profits about to soar. That's okay. I don't normally like a debt position like that, but in this case, I can forgive it. Look at the stock rallying as we talk about it. We knew this was going to go up. We covered the earnings this morning. It's still a long way to go, and it's going to keep running. Okay, let's scroll back down and see more information. Let me give you some targets here. We've got a profitability of 62%. That's going to improve. That's great. 27% solvency. That's because they've been spending money, but now they're going to make it. So I don't like a red solvency score, but we're okay with this business, okay? What about the downside? Well, if we look at the worst case scenario, Wall Street are giving it a 35% downside. That's because of the unsettlement in the Middle East, but I'm not concerned about that and don't think you should be either. 1763, 8% downside. I can live with that on a high growth, but 49% on the upside. That's where I see it going. What about the short interest? Short interest is 11.65. Have we got the volume? Have we got the volume for a short squeeze? We do not have enough short interest for a short squeeze. The volume today is 4.73. Average volume is 3.58. So we are excessive volume today, and we're going to get a lot more, but there's not really a short squeeze here. Shorts will get wrecked, of course. They'll lose their money, as shorters very often do. Can't stand the sentiment of shorting. I think it's ridiculous. But anyway, people do it, and that's fine. It's the game. But there's not going to be a short squeeze. So don't consider that as some sort of big thing. What else have we got? Right, that's what you can get from Alpha Spread. I've given you the link in the chat if you like my Alpha Spread. But if I go and look at what I can see on Seeking Alpha, I've also given you a link for that in the chat, so you can check that out as well. We got a buy and a hold at Seeking Alpha Analysts, of which I am one. It's a strong buy. Wall Street holding, and Quant which is the AI software for Seeking Alpha. That's a hold as well. Valuation B, we got A- revisions. That's up from D. That's very good. But I've also got some news that's just out just a few moments ago. Oops, Daisy, what's going on here? Why am I getting all this issue with Google today? Hang on a minute. We got screen issues now. This happened the other day. Just please bear with me. I don't know what's going on with Google Chrome, but it's playing up at the moment. Let me refresh that. Okay, here we go. Don't quite know what happened there, but we're all good. There's been some issues last few days. Let me share this news with you. Just out, 15 minutes ago. That's how new the news is on Seeking Alpha. The link's in the chat, the pro version, and you can try this for 7 days. Zim integrated shipping soars on improved profit guidance. Improved profit guidance. That's what I was just talking about. That's why I can forgive its balance sheet at the moment. So this is Zim. You might see it all over the world as Zach Zate pointed out, who's lives in the US, but he's originally from Israel. Zim integrated shipping services jumped 17% pre-market, trading Monday after the Israeli shipping company raised profit guidance for the year. Management said it now expects 2.6 billion to 3 billion in adjusted earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization for 2024, up from a previous range of 1.15. So this nearly doubled their expectation, which is great. During the second quarter, Zim swung to a profit of 373 million, or a 3.8 share, from a loss of 213 million. It's a huge turnaround. If you've not seen this, absolutely crazy. If we look at Zim here, and I refresh the screen here, hopefully it will show. Let me share this with you. Massive turnaround on the earnings, are like huge, completely unexpected. Caught Wall Street out. They were expecting to make 46 cents a share, made $3.08 a share. It wasn't just a beat; it was an obliteration. So obviously the stock's up, but no one's really talking about it at the moment. It's got a long way to go from here, I think. So that's great. So anyway, good news flying all over the place today. That is Zim. This could run and run. It's a $62 potential valuation here, and we're only at 21. So I like this. All right. Anyway, for further information, we've done charts on it. I think Sensei actually gave you a chart Sunday night. This is how ahead of the game we are on this. I think he did. Yes, he did. I asked him to do it, and he's given you a trading chart as well. So let me share the trading chart. There it is, Zim chart, 14 hours ago, ready for the opening bell. Only a handful of you watched it. Boy, did you miss out on that. Tried to give you the information ahead of time. There it is. There is Zim. That came out last night. Go and check that out. All right, there's my Zim quick update. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. martynlucas.com. On my website, you'll find all the links, but I'll also post below in the description and pin to the comments my Alpha Spread and my Seeking Alpha. Try it. I've got free plan for you for Alpha Spread, and free trial plus $25 for Seeking Alpha. Why not give it all a go? And you would have this information ahead of time as well. All right, up over here, I shall put the analysis for Zim. I think you should definitely go and check that out. And also, I'll create a playlist down here for Zim where I'll put the earnings. You need to listen to the earnings, of course, to understand where the company's going. And all the videos will be in there as well. It's a whole playlist on Zim. There we go. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let me read the comments. We have a very busy morning, a lot of money being made this morning on the show, which is wonderful. All-time high again for me this morning. We're now over $108,000, up from $5,000. That's where we started 3 years ago and spent the first year and a half losing money. So it's quite a thing, really. Anyway, there we go. Let me read the comments. I have to focus on members. 98% of our live viewers are members, the highest engagement rate of any channel on earth, including Mr. Beast. Oh, yes. Put that in your pipe and smoke it. We have 98% of our viewers are members. Right. Now then. Okay, we got some more breaking news that we want to cover. Here is the fear index. We're still in fear, by the way. We've gone from extreme fear to fear. So there's still so much buying to come in. Imagine where we're going to be when everyone starts buying, when you consider how high I'm up already. It's just the beginning of our journey. This is great. I did actually give you, in fact, I think many of you missed this. In fact, nearly all of you missed this. Very frustrating that I couldn't get this news out, but I did try my best. Let me share with you. How can I do this? How can I share this? Let me give you the time. Welcome, everybody, on the extra channel. Thanks to all of you. Welcome. Here on the main channel, welcome to all of you. We've got some great news, guys, this morning. Can you please tap the like button? We've got 81 watching and just 25 likes. Smash the like. Let's get 100 likes to get YouTube to suggest this video out. So I'm going to share something else with you now as well, which you may have missed. In fact, I know nearly all of you missed it. 26 minutes. Okay. Huge rally. So here we go. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. You all missed this, and I put the information out. I'm in the studio 12 hours a day, and I'm on the phone over the weekend talking to CEOs, finding out that CEOs are organizing amongst themselves and other companies, many companies, to signal an emergency buyback. We have a huge rally, a historic rally about to occur. I gave you the information. This was it. Let me share some stuff with you right now. So I recorded in the best way I could a short. This was the short I put out. I'm going to see if I can play it for you now, just so you can see what I did here. I put this out. Here it is. I can't play all the audio for copyright reasons, but a huge rally coming on the phone for 2 hours over the weekend, talking to CEOs. It does a countdown, so you watch to the end, trying to let you know. CEOs setting up buybacks. Yep, CEOs and multiple companies I'm speaking to setting up buybacks. Super bull market, historic run coming. It's happening as I'm already talking to you now. I got this out to you a couple of days ago. No one has seen this video. It's about to begin. Most retail will miss it. Wall Street with billions of dollars are jumping in with this, and you're going to miss it. Most will chase it. Most will as you say, will miss and chase. I'm all in. There was the short. I'm all in. Now, if you've missed this, I will give you the link to this in the video. You want to share this, get as much people to know about it. Why? Because you want everyone to know what's about to happen, so everybody else buys in as well. Bit of market manipulation, if you like. Share the video. Get involved. I told you this was going to happen over the weekend, last week, and here it's already beginning. My portfolio now is beating the market. I'm doubling the market. I'm 108,196. I started with $5,000. I've never shorted the stock, and I've never done any options. And look how much money I'm making. It's getting pretty crazy, and it's about to get a lot more crazy. But there's a bit more news than just my short on that. Someone keeps asking, will I share an NVIDIA chart? I have to focus on my members' questions. If you want to be a member, please do. But I have to focus on the members' questions. We've also got this chart I want to share with you. This is the fear chart. We were extreme fear a couple of days ago, over the week, Thursday, Friday. We're now at fear. So we're still in a sort of a relatively pessimistic market, even though the buying has already begun. Wait till we get to greed or extreme greed. We're going to get a 3x on the S&P by the end of the decade. This year, we could see a 10 to 15% in addition of what we've already achieved on the S&P. And if that happens, my portfolio is going to be getting somewhere in the region of $125,000. Considering I started at $5,000, that's pretty crazy. All right. So there we go. A lot about to happen. Now, a lot of my information I'm getting ahead of time, which I'm going live 12 hours a day. Over the weekend, I'm giving you my X account. I put out all of this, and most of you again missed it. This is my X. If you're not following me on X, you don't know the news ahead of anyone. I'm up like every day, 12 hours a day. There is my X account. I gave you this over the weekend and showed you some other big stocks that are moving right now, which we predicted ahead of time. So if you've missed this, then it's your own fault if you don't follow me on X. GOVX, it's exploding with the Mpox news. We covered it before it exploded. We were right, it's exploded. There is the news. I put a poll. I also put the information when it went up before in the pre-market this morning. There it is. There is the analysis. We gave you technical analysis Sunday night for this one, but on Friday, 19 hours ago, I gave you I posted this after I did a full analysis live for you on GeoVax, why it's going up. There's some more information as well I wanted to share with you. We gave you the Nvidia chart as well. The buy zones, the sell zones for this morning. That was done over the weekend. This is the sort of stuff. And there's cargo. This popped up this morning as well alongside Vim, which is two big stocks we've just had rally this morning that you might have missed. Freightos and Zim. Huge beats here this morning. I've just put a video about that. So all of this is on my X. Go and check that out. Otherwise, you're just missing out on everything that's going on. Okay, so let me come back to the homepage. Let me wrap this up. So go and check out all the links, but we've got a huge rally. I think we've got a 10 to 15% rally on the S&P by the end of the year. Now, don't tell me in the comments that, oh, well, September is usually rubbish. Rubbish. If you're looking at that using backward lagging indicators, you're looking at technology which goes backwards. I don't care what the chart said in the last 20 years. We are in a very different situation right now. I'm looking forward at forward-looking information, not backward-looking information. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Over here and over here, I'll post more videos that you cannot afford to miss. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let me read the comments. We're getting very busy in the chat. Things I have missed. I'm going to focus on members' questions. So if you're not a member, I'm going to go to members only right now because there are so many things going on. There's so many opportunities. I have to focus on the members who pay a couple of bucks a month. If you're not a member, then I'm sorry, but I have to focus on the members. So let me just do that right now. So members don't get their comments missed. Members only. Here we go. Right, there we go. If you want to be a member of our channel, it's only a couple of bucks, but it enables me to focus on the members, not bots and scammers and trolls and people that want information to make money without being verified. So let's give you everyone the link. If you are on an iPhone or an iOS device, just select a browser and select desktop version. All right, members, now come back to me with your questions and comments. And our focus, is there a speech today? No, there isn't. Chris said yes, it is. There is not a speech today. Fed Jerome Powell speaks on Friday. So no, it's Friday, not today. That's not today. Now, something else. Let me go through here. What else have I got for you this morning? Zim. Zim is still going. No surprise with Zim. Keep letting you know this is potentially a $60 stock. Let me scroll down to the members. Members, please come back to me. I missed some of your comments. Come back so I can see everyone's comments. Here we go. Right. Now we're back down to our members again. Here we go. William. Hi, Martin. Can you comment on any energy hydrogen news in the USA? I haven't got anything new at the moment in that sector. No. I don't think there's anything specific this morning in that sector. No, not specifically. Okay. Let me get some more information here. Okay. Biggest move today, Zoom. Don't want that. Price. No, I don't want that. Thank you. No problem, William. I think Zim can keep running. Let me go through my positions. Yeah, we're still going up. 108,155. Hi, Martin. Did you look into MPOX news? I think yes. Thank you. Right. Thank you very much. I'll do that right now, Henrik. Thank you. All members come back to me so I can focus on your comments, please. Was it links for YouTube, wasn't it? Henrik, was Henrik? Yes. Okay, here we go. Which one was this? We did cover this one as well. It wasn't available on Robinhood, but it was available on, hang on. Okay. MPOX. Yeah. Now then. Okay, here we go. Let me look for this one for you. Bavarian, Nordic, yeah. Right, just out.
Kazansky 66 has become a member.
Hey, Kazansky, how are you? Okay, here we go. This is the one we want. Right. Let me give you all your perks and benefits, or anyone that's just joined. Here is your video you need to watch, the how and the why video. If you watch this, this will give you all the information of what you get as a member. If you don't know, I mean, I'm just running through some big information right now. If you want me to explain it to you, please ask me and I will. But if you go through all of that, it'll tell you what to do. I can upgrade you on Discord as well. The links are below everywhere. Please go and check that out. I will do that as well. Okay, Kazansky 66, welcome to the family. Okay. I'm focusing on the members right now. I've got lots to talk about. I'm new to the team, so glad to be here. I use Finnies Elite for news, but you suggested Seeking Alpha in a past video. Did they provide? Yes, real time. Yes, yes. Yeah, I mean, look, I'm giving you, yeah, it's the professional service. I've got two. I probably use the best, well, these are the two, I think, the best services. I only use the best services, right? And I only show them to you if I can bring you the best deals. In other words, better than anyone else. Otherwise, I wouldn't do it. All right. Here is Seeking Alpha. You get a free trial plus $25 off, so you can try it yourself. And the link's in the chat. And here's Alpha Spread. I use both of these. These are the best ways of analyzing stock. All right, I use them both, and both I've got a deal for you. Right. Let me have a look. So this is being done now for. Henrik, thank you, Henrik, for sending me this in. So I can't share that, but I don't believe, no, it's not on Robinhood, but I know it's on, I want to share that, I want to share that. Okay, I'll do it this way. Okay. Okay. Welcome everybody on the extra channel. Welcome everybody here on the main. 40. Bavarian. Right, okay. Carl A. Yes, I've just given you the links, Carl, in the chat. Thanks for being a new member. Do you know what all the perks are? There are many. I'm here to serve you. That's the benefit. It's not about making me money. I want to just verify members in the cheapest way possible, which is why I do just a couple of bucks a month as a membership. And then I just want to help people, all right? So make sure you know all the perks. All right. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. We were talking Zim earlier on a previous video, but there's another... sorry. Oh, hang on, that's rubbish. I didn't mean to do that. Do that again. GVOX. Getting the stocks mixed up now. GOVX. Sorry about that. False start there. There's just so much happening at once. I'm just trying to bring you as much as I can to you live. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. I did bring you GeoVax Labs earlier, but there's another stock in the same sector that you might want to be interested in, Nordic. It's Bavarian Nordic, and I'm going to give you some information on this whole Mpox situation. And we've explained that these stocks are up. We reported it ahead of time, so obviously you know all about it. We've done the charts for it. And I've got another chart. We've just done a technical chart, which you cannot afford to miss. We've just done it for you last night, ready for the opening bell. So get ready. So it's not GeoVax, I just can't show it you on Robinhood. The stock I'm talking about is this. Let me go straight into it. Here we go. Mpox now is like the number one subject everyone is talking about with opportunity to buy stock. Mpox, we're talking about Africa CDC has pledged to deliver 10 million Mpox. This is just out, by the way. This is just provided latest information. I'll give you the link in a minute. To deliver 10 million Mpox vaccine doses by 2025, marking a significant commitment to strengthening health security across the continent in support of its ambitious goal. Bavarian Nordic has joined forces. So it's not just GeoVax, Nordic as well. Bavarian Nordic has joined forces with Africa CDC to enhance vaccine manufacturing capabilities within Africa. This partnership is set to play a crucial role in ensuring up to 2 million doses are available this year in addition to existing orders. This collaboration is particularly vital in light of recent declaration of the Mpox public health emergency of continental security, PHECS, emphasizing the need for equitable vaccine access across Africa nations. Now, I'm going to bring you some extra information as well, which I can get here from Seeking Alpha. Alpha. If you want the link for that, I'll give it to you below the description of this video and above my head, all right? I've got a pro version here. Everyone can try the free plan and get a 25% discount. You can't get that anywhere else. You have to have a referral to be able to get the discount and the free plan. You might as well try it. So I've got a strong buy here from analysts. I am one of the Seeking Alpha analysts as well. And I've just done a chart on it with Sensei, so I'm going to give you the link for that in a moment. But MPOX are on the move. MPOX stocks are on the move as outbreak spreads globally. Remember what happened to Moderna? Just don't stay in the stock forever. Take some profit. 500, 600% profit. 5-6 years of what you can get on the S&P is available here. And we gave it to you before the stock came out, remember. BVNRY is the stock we're talking about now, but we've also done GOVX. These are the two big ones that we are talking about, right? Let me read you the news. More cases of Mpox, formerly known as monkeypox, are surfacing across the globe, with the virus spreading to Sweden, Pakistan, and the Philippines. It was enough for the World Health Organization to declare a global public health emergency last week, which can accelerate vaccine access and distribution. It's clear that coordinated international response is needed. The World Health Organization Director, Dr. General Tedros Adhanom, I can't pronounce the surname, I do apologize, declared, adding that will help stop these outbreaks and save lives. What is Mpox? I don't think we need to cover what Mpox is. You all know what Mpox is. We are investors here. We're not scientists looking for the information on Mpox. We just want to know how to make money with investing in the businesses. GeoVax is one, and Bavarian Nordic is the other one. So there's the information. Now then, this is very, very important if you are an investor and a trader. No point just chasing the stock. We never chase stock here. We bring it to you ahead of time. So here is the Alpha Spread software. I'll also give that to you later at the end of the video as well, the links. But it's there for the members watching me live right now in the chat. So you've got it right now quickly so you can get on it. I gave you this. This is important, and you need to go and check this right now. Leave my live show. It's not about me. It's about you, right? You need to check this now. We have for you alongside, oh, here it is, Bavarian Nordic. We just done a technical chart for you so you know how to trade this one. It was done 14 hours ago ahead of time. There it is. Sensei came on live Sunday night and gave you all the chart positions for Bavarian Nordic, okay? We also gave you the NVIDIA chart, huge week this week. Core Scientific, another one, Cores, which has just broken this morning. That's massively up. We're bringing you all the stocks that are massively pumping. All right, there is Zim as well, massively up as well, a few 100% here. There is the GeoVax analysis, the news and the analysis that I provided, why, the news, the fundamentals. There is the chart for it. All of this was done, including Rocket Labs and Enovix. All of this is on the homepage of the channel. Simply select videos and you will find all of this information. All right, this is just a very quick update on what's happening. I'm not showing Bavarian Nordic. It's not available on Robinhood, but I gave you the information there through Seeking Alpha and Alpha Spread. Okay, that's it from me. I think there's nothing else. Oh, I will give you some fundamental information. Let me do that now very, very quickly. Bavarian Nordic, here it is. Okay, a Danish company. Let's have a quick look at the fundamentals of the stock. This is using my Alpha Spread, links in the chat. I've just given it to you, links below as well. 13.6 billion in assets, 3.4 billion liabilities. So their long-term debt is 407 million, where they've got 2.3 in cash. So got a good balance sheet. If I scroll down, I dare say gross margin 61%. That's going to increase. We like that. Scroll down here. Look, 89% solvency. What a great time to be solvent, and 89% score. Fantastic. They're obviously not going to go bust, right? Profits 46%. That's about to soar. Let's have a look at this. This is before the news came out. 55% upside average, 130%. This can only soar. But remember, never, ever, ever chase a stock. There's no short interest here at all. Hardly anyone is talking about it. We do rank number one in the world now for both of these stocks. So our news is getting out above everyone else, and it's both bullish on both stocks. Now, like I just said, do not chase the stock. As you can see, huge profit taking this morning happening from GeoVax. The same thing will happen with the other stocks. You should have got in on this on Friday. Friday's when we brought it to you. I think late Thursday, Friday. Then we gave you the chart for Sunday, how to trade it Monday. You should already be out of the stock, now buying it again. These stocks are going to run and run for a while, but don't chase it. Wait for it to settle. Use Sensei's charts to find the buy zone, the sell zone, support levels. All right? Very, very important. You don't just chase it. Because remember, when you're watching this video on a live show, I've been covering this for 3 days. You're already behind the curve. All right? And everyone's already acted on it. Click above my head for all the links, down below for the description for all the technology software that you need, that I use all the time. Over here, I shall post the GeoVax playlist. GeoVax, so you can get the whole playlist with the earnings, the information, the charts, everything, my fundamentals. Down here, I'll put Bavarian Nordic down here, so you can get all of Sensei's charts, all the information down there as well. All right, okay, there you go. Team Fusion just said both are available on Trading 212. Team Fusion, thank you very much for providing great information. That's it from me, as always. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Okay, let's get out of here. Okay. Right, that's there. Zim, back to Zim. Yeah, I'm breaking all-time highs again. Yeah, 108,000, all from $5,000. Love it. What about Zim? Another update on Zim, ZIM. I'm getting price targets coming in now. Doing some calculations on that. Charlotte May weddings. Shall we do Charlotte May weddings? Shall we help? Yeah. Remember, the more you help out people, the better life is. Always, always, always. So we'll do Charlotte May weddings. Yeah. One of our members here, we have a gold member. Team Fusion is a gold member. And Team Fusion is the owner of Charlotte May Weddings. All right? He's a sponsor and a gold member. A gold member, you can always upgrade to be a gold member for a month and downgrade. You get one-on-one with me video call. So you get 1 hour a month. So apparently it says 2 hours on the information. I'm going to update that. Thank you, Team Fusion, for letting me know. But yeah, you get 1 hour a month if you become a gold member, one-on-one with me, online video calls. But what we're going to do now then, because we've got a decent audience, it's all about helping people. We're always about helping people. If you help people, everything always works out just fine. So what we're going to do now is, the idea is, you don't have to get married. You don't have to do anything like that. You don't have to buy anything, download anything at all. But what we want to do is we want to make Charlotte May Weddings the #1 wedding website in the world. And I know I don't even need to find out from them and Team Fusion. I know they're ranking higher because I've checked it myself. Charlotte May Weddings is going to constantly rank up higher on Google simply by everyone. We have members now in 63 countries, in 14 languages, just by clicking on their website. There you go. So if you are looking for good karma, do it right now. Everyone, click on our sponsor. They pay me $99 a month. This is worth 10 times, 100 times what I'm charging, but I do it for my members. I don't take corporate sponsorship. You cannot call me up and say, I work from Coca-Cola and I work from Binky Bonk Coin. And there's 10 grand, there's 100 grand, sponsor your show. I will not take it. I only take sponsorship from my members. I'm not Meet Kevin or BitBoy or any of these people that take money from everybody else. None whatsoever. And I found out the other day why Meet Kevin was wearing those silly headphones, because he's sponsored. Ridiculous. You don't need headphones if you monitor your system properly. They don't wear headphones on Sky News or the BBC, do they? No, ridiculous. Anyway, it's blatantly obvious. I don't do it. I will not do it. I only take sponsorship from my members who watch the show. And I only charge $99. If you want your website, your business to blow up, be a member for a month and we'll get you to rank up all around the world. Very, very easy. So there you go. Has everyone done it? You haven't got to buy anything, do anything, but just click on their website. So everyone clicks on it. When people are searching for weddings, of course, this company will rank above all others. We've done it for people. We've got people ranked best-selling authors on Amazon, and within days we did that with Mark Corn. So there's lots we can do for our members. Become a member, and we'll help you grow in any way you like. Right. That's that done. Charlotte May Weddings. Hopefully everyone did it. If you didn't do it, don't expect anyone to help you when you want some help. All right? There you go. Good karma. Let's have a look. By the way, I want to thank everybody. We are breaking records again. 32,000, a new all-time high for our subscribers. We're growing faster and faster all the time. Maybe 100,000 within a year. We shall see. Anyway, thanks to all of you. How many people are watching right now? We got 9,951 over the weekend, which is nice. Good views for the weekend. And 285 have come through the show with an average watch time of 12 minutes 56, which is phenomenal. The average watch time on YouTube is about 45 seconds, and we have 12 minute 56 today. So that's fantastic. 98% of our live viewers are members, higher than Mr. Beast, higher than any other channel in the world. Very proud of that. Right, let me come back to members' questions for a moment. Which S&P would you recommend for the UK? I'm looking at SPY 5 and SPY SPXL. I don't know. I'd need to do a review on that. There are lots of brokerages in the UK that give you access to VOO. I would use that. Because it's designed specifically for retail investors. It's the best allocation. It's the cheapest expense ratio. VOO, that's what I use. It was designed for people like me. SPY is designed for professional traders, and I mean professional. I mean millions of trades a day. So it's slightly more expensive, as in not the cost of the stock. That's only inception date. I'm talking about the cost basis of the stock, the management fee. VOO is by far the right one to use. I've done that on many videos. Bavarian Nordic, yes indeed. Hello everyone. There you go. Charlotte May Weddings has popped in to say hello. Absolutely great. Charlotte May Weddings, you cannot post your links. When you, oh, hang on. Yeah, that was me doing it. Yeah, that was me. Yeah, you can't do that. Only works. What's going on here? How do you know if you want to? How do you know if you rank on Google? Been trying to click once a day and surf the site for 5. How do you know you have some analytic tools within your website builder? And there are external tools as well. You can do all kinds of checks on. I can see anyone's analytics. There's loads of different websites. But if you've built a website, then you have analytics that tells you how you're ranking. Because if you search yourself, you'll always, skewer the thing. You need to be incognito mode. But if you ever go gold membership, Stacey, I will do one-on-one, explain it to you, and do an hour call a month, and you can always do that. Anyway, it's easy. I can get anyone ranked up. That's easy. Not even difficult. On my new YouTube channel, James 007. You need to be a silver member to go on the home page of the channel. James 007. Are you a silver member? Let me have a look. I can see if you are, James. Memberships. See your members. Search by current level, which is silver. Let me have a look. James 007. Carl just become a member. Silver, you can go on the homepage of the channel. Anyone can who's a silver member. No, James 007, you're not. It's a perk of being a member. I became a silver member on this channel, but it won't let me become a member on my... I became a silver member on this channel, but it won't let me become a member on my new YouTube channel. You're not a silver member, James. I'm afraid. You're not a silver member on this channel. You are a bronze member. Okay, I can only do it for silver members. All right, if I go back and I can show you current level, bronze. And how long you've got a 6-month badge. Let me search down. It doesn't let me search by name, unfortunately. I have to scroll down the list. Maybe one day they'll do that. Wow, there's lots of 6-month members now. There you go, James. I just wanted to show you, just so you know. See, James 007. You're a bronze member. You have been now for 11 months. You're going to get a 1-year badge in a minute. Look, 11 months. Rejoined 8 months ago. 11 months. So you're a bronze member, and I can only put silver members on the homepage of the channel and start promoting you. And if you want proper sponsorship, that's $99. Then you get what Charlotte May weddings get. Okay, even if you are getting married, look at the pictures. It's beautiful. The whole site is beautiful. Thank you. If you think weddings, think Charlotte May weddings. Very kind, Stacey. Okay, right, now then. Sidhu. Sidhu. So I've got Sidhu to do. Oh my God, I can't say that, can I? Zim. We've got so much stuff coming out now. More Zim news. This is huge. 9:45. I'm just going to do it like this. Time 101 101 Zim. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor Zim. Warning: it's a stock we just covered. We've covered the earnings. We've covered the technical chart, the fundamentals. All been done for you. Go and check below and above my head for all the videos, and I'll post them at the end as well in the comments. But be very, very careful. Even though we've given it a $63 intrinsic value, it's a $30 stock in the short term. Don't chase it. It's too late now. We gave you the information on a Friday. There'll be a lot of trading on this one. Remember, there is volatility in the area in Israel. So it's popped up. We said it would pop up, but we gave you this before it popped up. I just want to put a warning out now. I'm just really conscious of people following me and following trades after and going, well, it's gone down now. Why does it always go down when I buy? Because the news was out on Friday. Okay, it's now Monday morning. We gave you all the information ahead of time. So a little warning. Wait for a pullback. There may not be one. It may continue to run to to its intrinsic value, but I'm more focused on $30, and that's a very, very nice pump indeed. But just be aware there is volatility in the area, and we don't see that getting better anytime soon. However, we're not going to get World War III, so it's not going to be all-out disaster. If it does drop, maybe you just buy some more if you are chasing the stock. But rule number 1, never lose money. Rule number 2, remember rule number 1. And rule number 3, never chase a stock. All right? Okay. All the links are above my head, down below in the description. I'll also give you the link for Seeking Alpha and Alpha Spread. So I'm always ahead of the game. You can get a free trial or free plan, or I've got all the links for you. So you can't get those free plans and free trials without my links. All right? Okay. I'll put the Zim playlist up here, and another one as well, Cargo as well, a CRGO related stock as well. So go and check that down there. I'll put a playlist down there. Till next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, Zim. Now then. What's Insta360? I know, but does anyone know if I can live stream using Insta360? What is Insta? Oh, hello.
James 007, Great Britain, has become a member.
James 007 is now a silver member. So, James 007, would you like to go on the home page of the channel? Is it with this channel or another one? It's a bit confusing. Apparently I don't quite know what's going on there. But James, which channel do you want me to put on the home page? This one? If it's not this one, give me the link, please, in links for YouTube in Discord. And I'll do it right now. I'll try and search for it. Hang on a minute. I'll do this now. Priorities to our members, of course. So 007 explore. Hang on. Explore. What do you call it? TV. Okay, is this the channel? Is this your channel? Can you confirm if this is the channel, please? Just say on the chat, is that the channel there? Yes, it is. Alrighty then. So what we're going to do, everybody, all the members, you know what we're going to do. Everyone, please subscribe to James 007's YouTube channel. We do this for all our members, our silver members, and we help everybody out. It's what it's all about, so please make sure that you do. But now what I'm going to do is this. So we're going to take that link there. We're going to take that link there, and we're going to go over to here. We're going to go to customization. And we're going to go down to here. Silver members or upwards. All right. Silver members or upwards. Okay. And we're going to do this. We're going to go here. And we're going to go edit section. And we're going to add something here. So here we go. We're going to put this in here, this here, and we're going to click done, and then we're going to edit, and then we're going to move it up to silver. Position. Just there. Okay. Publish. Right. You started with 46 subscribers. Are you ready? Okay. You are now at, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 51. There you go. You've gone from 46 to 51 subscribers in like 10 seconds. All right. If everybody else could do it, please. Remember, we all help each other. We all grow together. As I get 1 million subscribers, we all get 1 million subscribers. As I make money, we all make money. That's what we do. All right, so let's do a bit more. Now, James, if you look now on the home page of my channel, I'm going to refresh the screen. You should be on the home page of my channel, so you'll continue to grow. As long as you are a silver member, you will continue to grow on my channel. So scroll down here and featured channels. These are my sponsors, of course. Charlotte May Weddings is a sponsor, and our partner is Sensei Crypto. So you can't go there unless you're a sponsor right at the top. But you are here as a silver member, and I will always update these if people aren't members anymore. See that Team Fusion is a gold member. He goes right at the top. I will check all of these, Hustle Brothers and Florida and all these people I would check. But you'll just, unfortunately, you're just off the screen, but you are there. There you go. There you are. You're on the home page of my channel, and every month I check to see who's members or not and remove them if they're no longer a silver. So you never know if any of these aren't silver anymore. You will go on the front page. At the moment, you are one click in, but there you are. All right, you will continue to grow, and because you are a silver member, I will promote you from time to time. Not as much, obviously, as a sponsor there all the time. But does that make sense? Okay. Right, you were at 46. You are now at 51 at the moment. If we can get a few more, that would be great. It's much appreciated. You are welcome. All right, now then. I want to wrap up this show because I've got lots of videos to put out. There was something else I wanted to do. I did Zim. Let me go for the comments. Thank you, James. Congratulations. Congratulations, Mr. Bond. Right, we're breaking all-time highs again. Zim is continuing to run. Just be careful. Huge amounts of money being made here. GOVX. GOVX. How's that doing? Yeah, there was our first profit taking of the morning, and now it's coming back up again. So an opportunity there. I think it's got to about $12, $13 quite easily. But we shall say Sensei gives you much more detail than I am just doing that. Right, let's have a look. He's now at 51 subscribers, James 007. He's now at 54. There you go. That's 8 subscribers in 5 minutes. Not bad. If we can get into 100 subscribers, and that's easy. If anyone is sponsoring the show, or whatever, or does super chats. No, not super chats. That's not right. I'm not going to do that. If you are a sponsor on our busy day coming up next week, Nvidia earnings, there could be 1,000, 2,000 people watching live. You can always unsubscribe. You can always downgrade. It's not a bad idea to be a sponsor on a big show. Always worth considering that. Always worth considering. Okay. Bloody hell. How am I going to control this? I've got some major bloody issues here today. Oh, another subscriber. There you go. Everyone's subscribing. Right, okay. I think we're good. We're breaking all-time highs, 82. We're going to be 113,000 on this portfolio very, very soon. I told you about the CEOs who are buying in. VU is on eToro. There you go. Let's wrap this up because I want to put this out. I'm now going to go to general public and ask questions just for a moment, just to finish the show. We've got to get back to... I haven't finished. I know what I got to do. I knew there was something. It was just bothering me. Okay, here we go. Sidhu, space. A lot of space fans here. So here we go. Here are some options for you. Now then, how this works. Here are the options for tonight. You have to decide right now, okay? Here are the options for tonight. If you are a member and if you do a $5 super chat, you can book in your earnings. We can do 2 tonight in the after hours. 2. We've got Palo Alto. We've got Palo Alto, PANW. We've got Bit Digital, BTBT, and Sidhu Space. Sidhu Space. So if you're a member and you want me to make a promotional video, and I rank #1 in the world for Sidhu Space as well. All right. So if you want me to make a video, a promotional video right now and do the after hours earnings, you have to be a member and $5 super chat, and I will do Sidhu Space. I'll also do Bit Digital or Palo Alto. I can only do 2 after hours tonight. So if you want that, let me know. Can you show the NVIDIA chart? I can. I have to focus on my members, Musa, I'm afraid. But I will show you because I haven't got anything from the members at the moment. There is NVIDIA chart. It's $124.90. It's going to $200. It could be $150, $140, $250 next week because of the earnings. I'm expecting extremely bullish action with that. If you want the chart, I've just done a chart for you. And there is the NVIDIA chart 15 hours ago of how we're going to trade it today and this week. So share, copy, NVIDIA chart. All right. So nobody wants an earnings for tonight, where I will start picking them then. If you don't choose, I will choose for you. NVIDIA chart. Yeah, NVIDIA is going to $200. So, no one's going to choose. You've got options of Palo Alto, Bit Digital, and Sidhu Space. I'm going to make my decision now. If I've already made a decision before you super chat, it's too late. We're doing 2 tonight after earnings. Don't really want to use another broker now. Anything similar to VU. I would need to research that for you, Kazansky. I'm sure they have SPY. There's no doubt they'll have SPY. Try that out. That's just the same. But I said VU is my preferred, but it's so insignificant difference, you won't know the difference. Right. Let me now go and look for my... other earnings. So we are going to do I'm doing 2. If you do a super chat, you can choose, but I'm going to choose for you as I've not got a super chat. We've got right, let me have a look. Which one should I cover? Right. Let's see if I can do this one first of all. PANW. PANW. And it is... Oh, hang on a minute. What the hell am I doing this for? I don't want to do that. Okay, I'm choosing 2 earnings for you tonight. If you choose, you can choose. If you don't choose, I choose for you. So I'm just having a quick look now. Stocks rallying again. Zim's rallying again. PNW. Let me have a look. Which ones I want to cover. Read only as well. Well, I would need to. I don't know what's on your what's on your brokerage. You need an ETF that's tracking the US stock market, the general stock market. I would need to make an analysis for you. So it's 3:30. So okay. So it's August 19th. PANW. So I'm doing PANW. I'm doing Palo Alto. I'm making that decision now. So it's 3:10 for 3:30. Thank you, Wally. And Sidhu. I've got a couple other options. Let me have a look at these. Which one should I do? I'm going to do 5, 4, 3:30. Okay. August 19, Sidhu, 3:30, 4, 4. All right, I've made my decision. These are what I'm going to do. Okay, so PANW, Palo Alto. There we go. There you go. Okay. At end. PANW and Sidhu. How do you do? Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. After hours tonight, we're going to cover the Palo Alto networks here on our extra channel. We'll do this on our extra channel tonight. Palo Alto networks. We're going to cover this one. It's a stock that could be a big mover actually today. I've just been looking at the options of what earnings I would cover, and I've decided to cover PANW, Palo Alto Networks. It's up 2%. It's going to start at 3 p.m. Central Time On the extra channel, on the main channel, I'm going to be doing Sidu, S-I-D-U. You can watch both or choose which one you want. Click above my head for all the links. Down below in the description, I shall put Palo Alto here, and I'll put Space. That will happen on the main channel down there. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, so then I'll do Sidu. Carol Becker, who never replies to emails. Okay, here we go. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, Space, ticker symbol SIDU. We used to own 80% of this company at one point, our members. It's a small company, and we owned nearly all of it with our members. Do you remember that? Martini Racer, quite a moment. Anyway, we're covering the earnings after hours tonight. Space, it'll be 3:30 p.m. Central Time. Join us live on the main channel. On the extra channel, we're going to cover Palo Alto. That starts slightly earlier on the extra channel. So join us for that one, or choose which one you prefer. I am getting information ahead of time using my Seeking Alpha and Alpha spread. The links are below. With my referral, you can't get this otherwise. You get a 25% discount on Seeking Alpha and a free trial. You don't get that anywhere else. And Alpha Spread, you get a free plan or a discount there as well, which basically makes my membership for free. Pretty good, right? Go and check all those out. Anyway, click above my head for all the links down below in the description. I'll put Space here. It's happening on the main channel, or on the extra channel, I shall put down there at Palo Alto. You might want to join us for that, or maybe do both at the same time. I don't know. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay. Right, we're going to wrap up now. Space after hours tonight. Join us for the earnings. Can you afford to miss it? On the main channel, we're doing Sidus, and on the extra channel, we're doing Palo Alto. There's a related video, and there's the chart. Join us and get all the links below. Be prepared with your Seeking Alpha and Alpha Spread. All the links are below. I'll post the link for this event as well in the description. Check it out. Join us for the earnings. Okay. PANW, Palo Alto. Palo Alto earnings tonight after hours on the extra channel. On the main channel, we're doing Space. Join us for either one, or maybe do both. All right, I shall give you all the information. There is the related video. There is the chart. Also below in the description, you'll also find as well the links to Palo Alto on the extra and Space on the main channel. I'll put the links there and the related video for Palo Alto just there. Join us for the earnings. Okay. Right, we are out of here. We are done. Let's come back to here. Bring in this. Now then. We've still got everyone watching on the extra channel. Thank you to all of you. And on the main channel, right, we'll wrap this up. NVIDIA chart. I've just shown you the NVIDIA chart like 2 or 3 times. Musa, I can't keep sharing it with you. I've just shared it to you again. And I've given you a link to the event so you can do your own research as well. We've provided you with the charts, the earnings. I mean, I can't do much else, but I have to still focus on the members, all right? Okay. Let me send now everyone to the extra channel. Customization. Here you go. This is the extra channel. That's where we're live right now. Join us there. So you've got support from the family and the members 12 hours a day. Here is extra. I shall, hang on a minute. I don't think that was right. Let me get rid of that. Remove. I'll try that again. Yeah, that looks better. Let me pin that to the top. Okay, let me get out of here. That's it. Look out for all the videos. There's lots of stuff coming out today. Was I right or was I right? A huge rally in the market. We're breaking all-time highs again, 108,326. It's going to run and run and run. I've got 10, 15% going on my portfolio, 130, 114,000 by the end of this year. Maybe more, actually. Maybe even 120,000. Anyway, it's a very, very good time to be in the market. It's always a good time to be in the market. Even when it goes down, it's a good time to be in the market. Right, that's it from me. Thank you very much indeed. I haven't got time for day trader of the day. I'm going to get out and get on with these videos. I'll see you back for the earnings, the closing bell, everything else this afternoon. Join me now on the extra channel. And that's it from me. Congratulations on James going silver and getting everyone to subscribe to his channel. It's just the beginning. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.